Hey guys, it is Ray here with you today, and today we are playing with red glitters with purple colors with that plummy and rosy undertones. I guess you are interested how to get that one. So without further ado, no more words are needed, let's rock this look. Let's begin with the eyes makeup. My trusted holy grail step is applying primer. Smashbox 24 hours photo finish. I do always apply my basic shade on the entire lid for better blending. I'm gonna do it right now using my Sonia Kashuk Universal Eyeshadow brush from her Smokey Eyes set Professional Series. And the basic shade will be from the Morphe palette, number 35W. So right now I will go to the deepest and darkest shade and start with that. Again, it is a Morphe palette, the same one, 35W. And the brush is from brand Morphe as well, number 507. I will apply the color to the outer corners of my eyes. My darkest shade is applied from the outer corner of the eye, maybe a little bit in the middle of the eye, to my eyebrow tip, creating a wing. The next shade I'm getting is the same palette, Morphe 35W, and it's this one. For the pop-up color here, I will dig into my Electric palette by Urban Decay. Shade Savage. Going back to our Morphe palette. So I don't know about you guys, but here in Chicago, it's for the second day. It's such gloomy weather. The rain is pouring and there is no sunshine, so I hope makeup saves the day and we can have some fun and bright colors. By the way, just let me know what kind of weather do you have right now. I'm going for MAC Shadow in Yogurt. To the outer corner of the lower lash line, we'll be using the same dark shade we've been using in entire makeup. So as I said, today I'm in a desperate need of some bright colors, so I'm getting my Sephora flat brush and NYX Glitter Primer. So let me tell you right away, for glitters, I'm using NYX Glitters in shade Red. So you want to set everything to go, because when you apply your primer, you want to apply glitters right away for the primer not to dry out. The other way, it will not stick. Let's go to brows and we'll be back to our makeup later. Right now I'm in a kind of trying out new brow products because it feels to me like I'm stuck with my Anastasia's brow wiz. It works perfect, but I want to find something else that may work for me good. maybe as good or even better. It is Wet n Wild Retractable Brow Pencil. I do love their fine tip eyeliner. It's really good. I have it in shade brown, and by the way, it works. So it feels a little yellow for me at this time and a little thick. Maybe just because I'm so used to Anastasia's, but this one gives me less control in the situation. On the other side, I like how it feels in the brow. I want to mention that this one, this brow pencil is on a waxy side, so I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing. It depends on a preference. However, it puts hair just right in place and kind of two-in-one, you know, the brow gel and the brow pencil. It's worth trying out. I mean, it's not bad. I don't hate it. Let me quickly prep my skin with my MAC Fix Plus. Today I'm using my Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Foundation, full coverage. Let me put it in the back of my hand and I will grab it with my beauty sponge. Foundation is here and now we need to set it. To set my under eye, I will use translucent powder by MAC. I will apply it with my beauty sponge. While I'm baking these areas, I will get my Selected Sheer Pressed Powder by MAC and apply it to the rest of my face. Still baking, but let's go to the contour and not lose any minute. My Real Techniques Brush 100 and my Sculpted Face by IT Cosmetics. For the nose contour, I've been using my MAC 224 brush. And now it's time to swipe off the baking and rock on. Blush brush number 227 by IT Cosmetics. And my MAC Summer Rose blush. We need just a little speck of it. That one is the most beautiful of blushes, and I'm so happy we can use it because in the Middle Ages, makeup was not allowed to be high society ladies. It was the thing for the low moral individuals, let's call it this way. What they did, they've been punching their cheeks to make them blushy and red, and they've been biting their lips to make those red as well. And as an alternative to that method, a classy lady could apply 2 pieces of raw meat on her cheeks for 2 to 4 hours, and that's how she would get her blush color. I don't want to go there. Let's do the rest of our eyes and then we'll be able to do the highlight. Today I will apply my falsies first, off camera of course, and then we'll jump into mascara. Bad Girl Bang by Benefit. color by Marc Jacobs. But guys, it's not gonna be me if I will not add a little extra. So for a little extra, I'm using my Limited de Beauté Red Velvet. Applying it to the back of my hand, and with my fingers, I will just add it to my lip color. For the last step, let's set our face with my MAC Prep and Prime. Here is our final look. So thank you so much guys for staying till the end of this video. I really loved creating this look. It uplifted my mood dramatically. As I said, this gloomy weather, stay there. I don't want to see you, but here in our studio the magic is happening. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you watching it, and I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget about the notification bell. Hope you have a good rest of your day, and for now,